to this 2-minute update from the 2+10 playlist, converting a campervan a slightly different way. If you're new to the channel, there's a link here and a card at the end you can click on, take you through to another video saying what I'm doing, why I'm doing it differently, how I'm doing differently, a bit about design, a bit more detail. But if you're a regular subscriber, you know why you're here. So without further ado, let's get into the update. Right, let's have a quick 2-minute whiz around the utility module, which is heat, water and power, which is now all the kits embedded under the kitchen unit. For those of you who saw the mock-up I did with all those foam models, link there if you didn't, that was a really useful exercise. It really helped me sort of get to where I needed to be pretty quick. Some changes, we'll take a look through that. However, I'm going to whiz through. If you want more details about how I've done it and why I've done it that way, check out the +10 video. This is just a quick hit for people who just want to see how I'm doing. But one thing I want to say is, I don't want to be one of those patronising guys, but you know, don't do as I do. Coming from a prototyping engineering background, you tend to know what you can get away with creatively. It's probably not best practice. Plenty of videos out there on how to do electrics and how to use terms like setup. But anyway, less of the patronising stuff. Let's crack on and have a look. Okay, so there is the utility module. It's basically in 4 quadrants. In the top left, you've got the power supplies. That's just a temporary battery I had. I just put it in to test all the systems. You can just about see behind that is the inverter, 3000 watt push-through inverter. Bottom left is the water system, hot water system. You've got a tank in there, and also you've got the pump for the general circulation. To the right of that, you've got the heating system. Now the diesel heater's not in there at the moment. I've had it in there and tested it and everything. And above that, you've got the electrical stuff. So 3 chargers, MPPT, AC to DC and DC to DC, plus obviously all the other stuff. Now, I can hear the groans already. Think, oh no, another Victron fanboy. There's a very specific reason why I've used Victron in this situation. It's a little bit cozy in there. You know, I'm concerned about heat build-up, and Victron specify performance criteria for their kit against temperature elevations, and it's very robust. But to be absolutely sure, I've got some forced air, little sensor relay there that switches on if it gets above 30 degrees, so sort of 10 degrees in hand, forces those fans on, drawing air through the system to keep it cooler. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'm going to build up a list of chapters in the comments down below so you can see what I've done, and you can just click through what you want to look at. But in the meantime, please click that subscribe and like button, and I'll catch you in the next one.